Global warming is one of the greatest challenges facing humanity today. It refers to the gradual increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, much like a blanket around our planet, making it warmer than it should naturally be. This warming is caused primarily by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, cutting down forests, deforestation, industrial emissions, agricultural practices. The impacts of global warming are far-reaching, affecting not only the environment but also human health, economies, and the survival of countless species. History of global warming. 1. Early observations 1800s. Scientists like Joseph Fourier and John Tyndall discovered that gases in the atmosphere trap heat, an effect later known as the greenhouse effect. 2. Industrial Revolution 1750. Factories and machines began burning coal on a massive scale, pumping carbon dioxide into the air. 3. 20th century. The widespread use of automobiles, airplanes, and electricity increased emissions drastically. 4. 21st century. Global warming transformed from a scientific debate into a global political, social, and economic crisis. Causes of global warming. 1. Greenhouse gases, GHGs. The main driver of global warming is the release of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide CO2, produced by burning fossil fuels, methane CH4, released from agriculture, livestock, and waste, nitrous oxide N2O, from fertilizers and industrial activity, CFCs and HFCs, used in refrigeration and air conditioning. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, preventing it from escaping into space. 2. Deforestation. Trees absorb CO2, acting as natural carbon sinks. Cutting forests reduces this capacity, adding to the problem. 3. Industrialization. Factories and industries produce massive amounts of waste gases and pollutants. 4. Transportation. Cars, trucks, ships, and airplanes all burn fossil fuels, emitting CO2 and other pollutants. 5. Urbanization. Concrete cities absorb and retain heat, creating urban heat islands that make temperatures rise even higher. Effects of global warming. 1. Climate change. Global warming disrupts weather systems, leading to unpredictable patterns. Longer summers and shorter winters. Increased rainfall in some regions and drought in others. Intense heat waves. 2. Glacier melting. Polar ice caps in the Arctic and Antarctic are shrinking. Glaciers in the Himalayas, Alps, and Andes are disappearing. 3. Rising sea levels. Melting ice and expanding oceans are raising sea levels. Coastal cities such as Karachi, New York, and Mumbai are at risk of flooding. 4. Extreme weather events. Hurricanes, cyclones, and storms are becoming stronger. More frequent floods and droughts. 5. Biodiversity loss. Animals are losing their natural habitats. Polar bears, penguins, and coral reefs are at serious risk. 6. Human health. More heat strokes, dehydration, and respiratory problems. Spread of vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue. 7. Economic impact. Agricultural losses due to droughts and floods. Billions of dollars in damages from natural disasters. Scientific evidence. According to NASA and the IPCC, the Earth's temperature has already increased by 1°C compared to pre-industrial levels. The 20 warmest years on record have all occurred since 2000. Glaciers have lost nearly 40% of their thickness. Future predictions by 2100. If current trends continue, temperatures could rise by 3°C to 5°C. 2. Sea levels may rise by 1 meters, threatening millions of people. 3. Severe food shortages could occur due to failed crops. 4. Extreme weather events will intensify. Small blood diamond solutions to global warming. 1. Renewable energy. Solar power. Wind energy. Hydroelectric power. 2. Afforestation. Planting new trees. Protecting existing forests. 3. Reducing carbon footprint. Using public transportation. Switching to energy-efficient appliances. Recycling and proper waste management. 4. International agreements. Kyoto Protocol 1997, First global agreement to cut emissions. Paris Agreement 2015, 195 countries pledged to limit warming to below 1.5 degrees Celsius. 5. Public awareness. Educating people about climate change through schools, media, and campaigns. Role of individuals. Each person can make a difference by 1. Saving electricity and water. 2. Reducing plastic use. 3. Planting trees. 4. Using reusable bags and bottles. 5. Supporting eco-friendly companies. Case studies. 1. Netherlands, advanced flood management and renewable energy innovations. 2. China, the largest polluter, but also leading in solar energy. 3. Pakistan, highly vulnerable due to melting glaciers and floods. Example, in 2022, floods displaced 33 million people. Global warming versus climate change. Global warming, the increase in Earth's temperature. Climate change, the broader changes in weather patterns caused by global warming. Conclusion. Global warming is not just an environmental problem, it is a human crisis. It affects our health, economy, food, water, and future generations. The responsibility lies with all of us, governments, industries, and individuals, to take urgent action. If we act now, switching to renewable energy, protecting forests, and reducing emissions, we can still prevent the worst outcomes. But if we continue on the same path, the Earth will become a dangerous place for all life. Suddenly the time to act is now.